Drain Monkey's Drain Cleaning Service, serving you 24 hours a day 7 days a week. Drain Monkeys offers affordable drain cleaning in Mattawan, Michigan. Give them a call today at 269-366-8087. Drain Monkeys takes great pride in giving you the best customer service from start to finish. Drain Monkeys drain technicians also take great pride in their work to ensure that your drain lasts a long time. If you're looking for affordable drain cleaning, then look no further than Drain Monkeys. They are here for you 24 hours a day 7 days a week. It doesn't matter what time of day or night, we are ready to respond to your drain emergency. Drain Monkeys services all residential and most commercial clogged drains. They have been servicing residential and commercial drains since 1996. Drain Monkeys are on standby to service your clogged drains like clogged sewers, clogged bathtubs, clogged bathroom sinks, clogged showers and bathtubs, clogged kitchen sinks, clogged sump pump drains, clogged toilets, clogged urinals and many more. Serving Mattawan, Michigan since 1996. 24 hours a day 7 days a week. Drain Monkeys has upfront pricing and no hidden fees. And they give a 30-day guarantee on workmanship. Ask for details today.